Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashi and today I'm going to review one amazing product that I kept underrated for quite some time. It's nothing but this iconic straightener comb. So first things first, when I started using this tool, I was not quite happy with the kind of finish it was giving because I did not know the exact technique of using, exact way of using it, and I was unable to get the look that I had in my mind. But later on I tried using it multiple times. I understood exact way of doing it. I use this on my clients on everyday basis. Whenever I do some makeover, some hairstyle, I make sure I style with this first and later I do the curling or whatever, because this gives very good shining. So if you are like my hair type, it's very easy to straighten up the hair. And if you are of a very curly hair type, it will not make your hair straight, but definitely it will make a softer looking straight. And if it's done properly in small sections, I don't advise to take very small sections, but for your curly hair type you can still take a little lesser section to straighten up your hair, and this will work wonders. And this has a button which you have to press for 5 seconds and it will just start the machine and it will start blinking around the temperatures. It has 5 different temperature control, that is 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. I prefer doing my straightening at 200, but if you're someone who is doing for the first time, try doing it at 180 first. Once you get the speed, you have that, you understand how to move the machine very fast, then you can do it at 200. And this is from Iconic, one of the very good brands available in hair styling industry, makeup industry. And Iconic has amazing products. I have most of my tools of Iconic for my straightening, curling, crimping, whatever professional purposes. I have all my Iconic tools, and this is also one of those purchases. Well, these have the blades in it. The silver part in this comb is the blade that instantly heats up. So don't you ever touch the blades of this machine because that heats up so much. I have damaged my hand, I've burned my finger, and that is why I'm saying never ever touch this blade part of this comb. But it's so easy to style the hair. Like you want a softer blow dry looking hair, you want a proper straight hair, you can do so much. If you want out turn, you can do it with this machine. So I am loving this machine nowadays. I'm getting too much used to. I have to stop using this actually, because this makes your hair look so manageable, silky and shiny, that I love using this on everyday purposes. So if you want to know how I like to use this straightener comb, then go ahead and watch my video. So to my normal very dry hair, I'm going to apply some serum first, and I'm going to use the Serie Expert Wheat Oil Absolute Repair Serum from L'Oreal Professional. I'm going to take like 1 drop or so. I'll blend the product really very nicely and apply it evenly on the hair. So if your prep is done very properly, your product distributes evenly and it becomes easy for you to section your hair and start straightening your hair more easily. Use the Sebastian Professional, the Sebastian Trillion Thermal Protection and Shimmer Complex Spray. This is the product. I'm going to shake it really very well, and I will apply it like around 7 to 8 pumps all over the hair. And now I'll take a comb and again comb my hair to distribute the product evenly. So my hair is already protected from the heat, it's nicely prepped, and we are ready to go with our styling. So see, even if you do a good prep, your hair already looks quite manageable. Otherwise it would be much drier and it takes a lot of time to straighten it up. So it's better to first have some prep done before. It gets heated up really at a very high temperature and quickly. So now I'm going to divide my hair in 2 sections. This is a very convenient way of straightening your hair. It's very much like you are combing your hair. I'm taking some section of my hair. I've taken this much section of my hair and I'll start straightening it. Now you have to wait at each place of the hair, each part of the hair, only then it will straighten up. If you keep on moving it in big sections, it won't straighten and you won't be able to get the look that you are looking for. So I'll just put the comb inside and I will take the hair against the direction I am straightening, so that will give each section of the hair a better place to straighten. So you can see. Don't take too tiny sections and not too big sections, or else it will be very difficult to straighten your hair. Two to 3 times I would prefer doing it for getting a better straight looking hair. Moving on to the next section, I'll first comb like this to get all the knots out. Now I'm straightening it. It's really easy and convenient to style your hair very quickly, and the best part is because the temperature is at 200, you are able to control the heat, and means it's not too light and it's not too heavy as compared to certain stylers that heat up too much and give you the effect right away. This is a manageable temperature, 200 or maybe 180 if you have a more thinner hair texture. So holding the hair gives a good grip for the styler to straighten up the hair. See how much shine is it giving to the hair. You're doing nothing but just combing your hair with a heated comb. No matter whatever kind of styling you do, just do a base prep with this straightening comb. It does not even take whole 10 minutes. And after doing this, you do your curls or whatever, your end result will come out really good. Especially it's good for our moms and everybody who do not want to handle the comb, the straightening machine, the hair. So in those cases, this comes as a savior. I'm taking a little bit of intern styling, and yeah, you can see how much difference it's giving to my frizzy kind of a dry hair. You can see the shining, and if you do in sections, it becomes easy so that you're not missing any part of the hair and making sure that you are straightening every little strand of the hair. And yeah, see the difference. So this is a really good comb in my opinion. One very good comb, one very good brand available in India. So initially when I started using, I did not know the exact technique of working with it, but then I noticed if I give it enough grip for the machine to straighten the hair, then I will be able to see the straightening effect. You seen how instantly did it straighten my hair. Make sure you give enough heat at each place. You do not move it too quickly, otherwise that will not straighten properly. At the same time, it will come out also very easily. So even for my clients, I make sure I do a straightening first. I mean soft straightening with this straightener comb. And after that I style the hair so it gives a lot of shine and a very professional looking look. See how amazing this product is. I'm not against any other brands which sells expensive products. I mean that will be way too expensive for a person to invest in just one product, wherein these products are little cheaper in price but are very good with the quality. And Iconic, the brand is already very famous. Everybody know about this brand. I'm saying good things about this product because my first impression was not as good until I started understanding the exact trick of using this comb. And yeah, look at the shine. And whichever direction you want, just comb once again. This is my preferred partition. And anybody can use. You do not need to learn too much in it. It's just practice, and it's actually very basic comb styling that I'm doing. I'm not doing anything extraordinary or I'm pinning my hair. It's just that I'm combing my hair. And ta-da! My hair is all ready and set. You can see how easy it was to achieve this hair setting look with just a simple comb. So this part, the brush part, this doesn't get heated, but the silver plate that you see gets heated up instantly, and that is what straightens up the hair. I will try to put the link down below if I'm able to, because I believe I have purchased it in store. So but I think so they might be having it online, at least on Amazon or Nykaa, or even on their own website. And yeah, that's all about this comb. Again, you have to press it for like 5 seconds or so and it will just shut down. So lightweight, handy, easy to carry, and I am loving this comb too much since last how many ever times I've started styling with this particular comb. I think it's like a good investment and makes styling easy at home. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and do like this video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.